more breaking news coming in. The centre seeks the extension for the ED chief. That's the piece of breaking news that's coming. The centre, in its plea in the top court of the country, has sought an extension of the tenure of the Enforcement Directorate Director Sanjay Kumar Mishra till the 15th of October in the view of the ongoing FATF review. That's the piece of breaking news that's coming in. I'm joined by my colleague Arunima, who's getting us this piece of breaking news. Arunima, give us the details.
The news agency ANI and other legal websites are quoting the government to say that they have sourced this information because of FATF review that is happening. FATF, in the current round of review is looking at India, and it's looking at how money laundering cases are handled by India. And since Enforcement Directorate is the lead agency which handles money laundering cases, therefore the government is pleading that at this stage, when this crucial review is on, you cannot really change the leadership of the Enforcement Directorate. But just to give you some perspective, one of the officers who was actually leading India's case in FATF is an intelligence bureau officer. He has been moved to NDMA, the National Disaster Management Authority, only last week. There are other appointments also in the Revenue Department. Officers who were dealing with FATF, they have been moved out. So the argument can be made by critics of the government as to why only Mr. Mishra is indispensable. If other officers can be moved out, why does the government think that only he is indispensable? We'll have to wait and see how the Supreme Court reacts to this. But at this stage, that is the information that we are hearing. SG has mentioned this matter and requested the court to allow him to continue in office till 15th of October. Earlier, the court had given him time only till end of this month.
Right. But Arunima, whenever it comes to the extension of these high-profile positions, is there precedent in this case which can help the centre's argument as well?
Not really. This is the first time when the government actually brought in a law, thereby extending the tenure available to the CBI director and the Enforcement Directorate chief, and said that, on a case-to-case basis, after the initial term of 2 years, it can be extended till 5 years. Now, this was argued against by the petitioners in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court came up with its order, said the last extension itself was illegal, and gave government time to look for a replacement till the end of July. The government at that point had said that they're not going to give Mishra an extension beyond October 31st, which was his original tenure. But Supreme Court tried to cut it short till July end. Now, when this matter comes up again, will the government manage to impress upon the court this FATF argument? That's what we have to wait and watch.
Right. Thank you, Arunima, for getting us that piece of breaking news. And we're going to take a quick break. More news and updates on the other side.